we saw your COVID-19 and many who cause Asante 85 basic senior and tertiary institutions and our mantam no emwa one enya COVID-19 nibia and nipa 365 na emu 254 there. Etimi asha mo ho ayondren 111 there active cases. Asante Mantemu penny or share apomuden so Dr. Emmanuel Kojo Tenkran and ne one central for share and odin semi etuja.
Asante Mantemu penyimpa wo hye apomuden ho nsem so Dr. Emmanuel Kojo Tenkran echirimu se enipa ahasa ene aduasa enum a wonu manya COVID-19 ni bi no emu ahanu ene aduonum nan ena won ho ato wonu mu a oha endu ba konso wo hye kwan se ohun beto wo mu ochirimu se enipa nhia mudi a ema yade no etere no ewo semantem no otibiti wani ehwe se de be ya obetimi ateso eno kran so da nchen a anama wonu matu ene se wo hye kwan se suku mpanimfo ebema esukufo edi COVID-19 ho hyehye no eso se be ya obetimi ate yade no eso.
Recently we've seen outbreaks in some schools in Asante region. So far total of 85 schools are affected. 85 schools. This includes basic and then senior high schools. We've recorded 365 infections in these schools. So far, we have a total of 254 recoveries. Active cases are 111. And as at now, number of schools with active cases is 25. It's always a worry if we get outbreaks in the schools because the schools are congregate setting. And one infection is likely to spread to the whole school. Because we were thinking that even if the public is not adhering to the protocols, when you move into the senior high schools where the system is regulated, at least the management, the teachers, and then the school children should at least adhere to the protocols.